Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Tech Wabag Ltd. Our analyst maintains buy rating on the company with a revised price target of Rs 2100. Company has a strong order book of approximately Rs 14,600 crore, which is 4.9 times trailing 12 months revenue, and it will end FY25 with an order book of more than Rs 16,000 crore worldwide. Themes like wastewater treatment, desalination, etc. are becoming important, which bodes well for companies' medium to long-term growth. Next we cover Escorts Kubota Ltd. Our analyst turns positive on Escorts Kubota and expect a 15% upside potential due to decent valuation after a sharp correction in stock price and improved outlook on tractor industry. Management has shared an optimism for tractor demand in second half of FY25 and expect mid-single-digit growth for tractor industry in FY25. Input costs are forecasted to remain stable and supportive to margin performance. Stock trades at price to equity multiple of 27 times its FY26 estimates.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.